Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about word problems on money from your activity book, volume 2, page number 27 beta. Everybody write down activity book, volume 2, and also page number 27 in your CW. Okay? See here now, word problem. If a dozen apples cost 180 rupees, dozen means 12. If a dozen apples cost 180 rupees, what is the cost of each apple? Solution, write down everybody. The cost of dozen apples, that is equals to 180 rupees. Now write down here, 1 dozen apples is equals to 12 apples. Then you can find out the cost of each apple. The cost of each apple, that is equals to 180 rupees divided by 12. See here, 12, 180. 12 is taking as divisor and 180 is taking as dividend. Then we have to take in the divided from left to right side 2 places because 1 is less than 12. So I have to take 2 digits, that is 18. 18 is more than 12. Then you can read 12 table. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. See here, 24 is more than 18. Then we have to take 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. Now 12 is subtracted from 18, then 18 minus 12. First we subtract 8 minus 2, you can get 6. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 0 is bring down to the remainder. Then again you can read 12 table. 12 5s are 60. So it is exactly divisible. Okay? 12 5s are 60. Now 60 minus 60 you can get 0. Therefore the cost of each apple, that is equals to 15 rupees. Write down everybody. Question, right? Now next, Pranay bought the following items at a supermarket. ఏం చేశాడు ప్రణయ్ కొన్ని సూపర్ మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళి ఐటమ్స్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద టోటల్ అమౌంట్ స్పెంట్ బై ప్రణయ్ ఎట్ ద సూపర్ మార్కెట్. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద టోటల్ అమౌంట్ స్పెంట్ బై ప్రణయ్ ఎట్ ద సూపర్ మార్కెట్. సూపర్ మార్కెట్లో తన వస్తువులు తీసుకొచ్చాడు, ఐటమ్స్, వాటికి ఎంత మనీ స్పెండ్ చేశాడు అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారు. See here, Write neatly. You can draw a table only one time, don't write two times. Now here solution. Items. Cost in rupees. First one, soaps. How many soaps? 4. So what is the amount? 220 rupees. Next, toothbrush. One item. So cost 65 rupees. Right, like it only. Next, toothpaste. Toothpaste 150 grams. 126 rupees. Next, shampoo. 100 ml milliliter. ₹185. Next, ghee. 100 grams. 98 rupees. Next, cornflakes. 350 grams. 164. Now you can find out the total. Look at the blackboard. See here. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 taking 1 carrying, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. In it, 8 is taking and carrying 2 in tens place. Next, to add the digits in tens place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. 29 plus 6, 35. In it, 5 taking. Write down tens column. And 3 is carry over to the hundreds place. Now here, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Total amount what beta? 858 rupees. Write down. complete అయిందా? Now next beta, money completed. Everybody open your course book volume 2 page number 24. So today discuss about fractions. See here, fractions. Fractions are equal parts of a shape. See here, for example, I am taking this is 1. So dividing into 2 parts. Now here one part is shaded. Then it can be written as 1/2. Okay. Now I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. See how many parts are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each part, all parts are equal in a fraction. See here. Now I am shading 2 parts. Then it can be written as shading parts are how many? 2. 2/whole parts means total parts. Along with shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be written as 2/4. 2/4 means in a given shape. So these 2 parts are shaded. Then you can write in the numerator by, this is bar, by the total parts how many are there in the given shape along with shaded parts 1, 2, 3, 4. 2/4. This is a fraction. See here, numerator says the number of pieces you have, the number of parts that are the shaded. See here, numerator says this is 2/4 numerator. Okay, and this is denominator, 4 denominator. Numerator says the number of pieces you have are the number of parts that are shaded. In a given fraction, number of parts that are shaded is called as numerator. And denominator means, denominator says that the total number of pieces are number of total parts. Number of total parts in a given a shape. See here, actually fractions. Fractions. See here, numbers having numerator and denominator. So you know numerator and denominator. See here, look at the blackboard everybody. Now I am taking, okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I am shading 6 parts. I am shading 2 parts. So 2 by numerator says, what says numerator? Numerator says only shaded parts. See here, how many are there shaded parts? This is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Numerator. Numerator says only shaded parts in a given shape. Shaded parts how many? 2. Okay. So denominator says number of total parts in a given shape along with the numerator parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction is 2 by 5. In which 2 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. Did you understand? 2 is called numerator. So this is by. By means bar. So numerator and denominator dividing one line. This line is called bar. Here in this given figure 2 shaded parts. Then we can write 2 by how many parts are there? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So by 5. Here 2 says numerator and 5 total parts says denominator. Then it can be written as 2 by 5. Here fractions means numbers having numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Denominator not equals to 0. Never write 0 in the denominator. Don't write. Number having numerator and denominator. Okay? Denominator not equals to 0 is called a fraction. So numbers having numerator and denominator. Denominator not equals to 0 are called fractions. Did you understand? See here, this is fraction, 2 by 5 fraction. Here numerator, 2 is numerator by 5 is denominator. Numbers having numerator and denominator. Denominator it can be written as D. Denominator not equals to 0. Never write 0 in the denominator. Then it is called as fraction. Did you understand? Write down everybody. See, fraction means one way is there, that is fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. So 2 by 5. Okay. Part of a whole. See here 2 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. Write down. See, look at the blackboard first. Fractions. See here 2 by 5, this is fraction, no? Here 2 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. Look at the blackboards. So here numerator. What is numerator? The number above the bar. This is called as bar. The number above the bar is called numerator. The number below the bar is called denominator. See here 3 by 6. Here numerator 3. Why? 3 is the number. The number above the bar. Bar paina unte. Above the bar is called numerator. The number 6. 6 is the below the bar. Bar to kinda undi kada beta. So the number 6 below the bar, then it is called as the denominator. Did you understand? Write down. Everybody write down. Numbers having numbers having numerator and denominator denominator denominator. See here, denominator not is equals to 0, d not equals to 0 are called fractions. Next, numerator. The number above the bar in a fraction 2/5. Number 2 is the number above the bar in a fraction is called a numerator. Next, denominator. The number below the bar in a fraction is called denominator. Then it can be written as f. F means fraction is equals to n by d. N means numerator, d means denominator. I am taking one example. Three by 5. Say here, numerator say. Numerator say here. Very good. Denominator say 5. Very good. Did you understand, everybody? Don't talk. Next, in book lo ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఫిగర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందులోనే క్లియర్ చేసుకోండి. నేను బోర్డు చెప్తాను, ఓకేనా? రాయిరా, ఏందిరా దాని నెంబర్ ఎట్టాలంటే ఏందిరా, ద నంబర్ ఎబోవ్ ది బార్. మరి ఏం చెప్తున్నావు, రెడీ పెట్టుకున్నావా? ఓకే రైట్, కంప్లీట్ చేసుకో. తర్వాత See here, beta. See, write down in your course book answers. Write the fraction by observing the shaded region portion. See here, how many parts are shaded given shape, given figure? Very good. How many parts shaded there? 2 parts. Then you can write 2 by total parts how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down. 2 by 5 write down. Here how many parts shaded, beta? 1. Then you can write 1 by 4. Write down. How many parts shaded, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total parts? 24. Huh? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Right down. So here numerator 12, denominator 24. Now next. See how many parts shaded, beta? How many parts shaded? 3. Total parts how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 by 8. Here numerator what? 3. Denominator 8. So total fraction 3 by 8. Okay beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.